Hello people, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sue Henry, back again with a very educative video kama kawaida. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make dawa that most of Kenyans and Africans make when they have a common cold. Let's go direct to the ingredients that we will use. So I have 2 lemons. I'm using the 2 yellow lemons, but also you can use the green one, a ginger, a good size of ginger. If you love bitter things, bitter herbs, you can use a bigger ginger. Honey, natural honey. This will also help in adding a sweet taste to your dawa. Then you need a lemon squeezer to squeeze the juice from the lemon, a bowl to put your lemon juice, then you need a tumbler, a glass, or somewhere to place your dawa after you complete preparing it. And then you need water to make this dawa. So I'm warming my water. And you will also need a grater to grate your ginger into fine pieces. That's why you need a grater. So let's go direct and start preparing these ingredients. So I'll start by peeling off my ginger. You do it so gently so that you remain with the bigger part of the ginger. As you can see, you do it so lightly, close to the skin. Once my ginger is ready, I'm going to grate it. You can grate or use the kindu. Is it called kindu? That thing for smashing the ginger. But for me, I'm grating the ginger. You grate it all. You grate the amount that you feel is good for your dawa. A good piece. Once you are done, you put ginger in the water that you are warming. By now the water is almost boiling, so we put our ginger in the water. Then allow it some time to boil. You can boil ginger as much as you want because it doesn't lose any nutrients. But for the rest of the ingredients, there is no boiling at any point, as you will see. Then as ginger boils, I'll continue preparing the rest. So my lemon, I cut it into 2, so I'll be having 4 pieces. And then go ahead to squeeze the juice. My lemon squeezer. I love this squeezer because it removes everything from the lemon. The lemon remains to be white and you will only have the juice in your bowl. It's easy to use, as you can see. This squeezer does a very nice job. You can see the lemon skin. You've removed everything, every juice, no juice that is remaining in that lemon. So you have 100% juice from the lemon. I decided to use 1.5 because the juice was enough for my dawa. As you can see, it removes the white things, but you will only get the juice. Also, the seeds have been sieved. Then you take your bowl and put your juice, your lemon juice that you've squeezed. It's enough for my dawa. You can make as much juice as it can be enough for your dawa. So then by now the ginger has boiled and is ready. I'll switch off the cooker. You can see how the ginger looks after being boiled. This is the color of the water. So after that, I'll add the rest ingredient to this hot ginger water. I start adding my lemon juice, the one that we prepared earlier. We put it to mix. And then I add honey. For me, I added 3 spoons of honey because it depends with the level of bitterness that you can withhold. If you drink this dawa and feel like it's so bitter for you, you can still add more honey. Yeah, you can add more honey so that it can be at a sweetness that you can enjoy the dawa. But then not too much honey. You know, what is sweet to me is not sweet to you. So you have to balance the ginger, the honey, and the lemon juice so that it can have that soothing effect on your throat. But for those who don't need anything sweet, or they love things that are bitter, well, no much honey to be used. So this is how my mixture looks after mixing all the ingredients. So then I'll go ahead and sieve my mixture so that I can have my dawa ready. Imagine this is what you buy from the restaurant at 300 to 350 shillings. It's something that you can make it at the comfort of your house. So guys, this dawa can be used to treat common colds. It can also be used as a detoxifying agent to your body because it has antioxidants that helps to flush out toxins from the body. It can also be used to soothe your throat. It can also be used to treat acne. For those who are trying to fight acne, this is the best dawa for you. You can drink this dawa early in the morning before you take anything for it to give you the detoxifying results. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Until the next video, bye bye.